If you want to remove a payment method from your Paramount Plus account, follow these simple steps to ensure your billing information is updated. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Paramount Plus website or open the app and log in using your account credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen, often represented by your profile icon or name. Step 3. Go to Payment Information. In the Account Settings menu, look for an option labeled Payment Information or Billing. Click on this to view your current payment methods. Step 4. Select the payment method to remove. Find the payment method you wish to remove. There should be an option next to it to edit or delete the payment information. Step 5. Confirm removal. After selecting the option to remove the payment method, confirm your choice when prompted. Make sure to follow any additional instructions to finalize the removal. By following these steps, you can successfully remove your payment method from your Paramount Plus account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.